Fixing the Chrysler key fob with some Scotch tape. Normally the buttons stick to each section, but as they get old they fall off. As you can see, I've done some repairs on this before in the past. All I do is put the button back where it belongs and put a piece of Scotch tape over top to hold it in place, because all you need to do is push the button in to make contact between the inner circle and the outer circle. So we got, this door was not working, that door was not working, as you can see by the pictures. So simply moving those in place, putting that in place, there, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the panic one and tape it down too, so I don't have to do surgery on this key fob again. Okay, I got them all lined up, so I'm just going to take a piece of tape, stretch across, lay it down. Same with on the front one. One thing I did forget to mention is you can check the back side of the tabs and make sure they're clean. Sometimes you get gunk under the back. So now they're all taped. You can hear it clicking. I'm just going to put it back in the button and go test it out. Alright, here goes our test. So if you got buttons that aren't working, you can fix them with some tape. Apparently that one's not working. Left side worked. All right. There we go, all fixed.